Filming.
And travel.
It's a two-axis machine.
Two-axis machine.
It has Z and X.
Okay, and I'll tell the machine that I'm using my indexer. Then I return and put in the code for the indexer to work.
Wow.
And now,
Do that again.
now you can tell it I want tool number 1.
Wow, very exciting.
Tool number 1.
And that looks like it's
That's
a...
tool number 2.
all right, can you ramp up the spindle for me and show,
Yeah.
what's the maximum spindle speed?
Max spindle speed
2500?
2500. So, and it has RPM and SFM. Right, if I type in 1500 ABS.
Well, surface feet per minute and
Yeah.
revolutions per minute. Oh, I see fluid.
Wait a second. Oh, because there's no collet in.
Okay.
There's no collet in.
You got to put a collet in?
Yeah, to make it stop. Yeah.
Okay. There you go. And then you clamp it in with the collet closer.
Yep.
And you tighten it down.
Yeah. Of course, I don't have a piece of material in there, but spin.
Am I going to get to see it go here? What RPM is that?
600.
Can you jack it up to 2500?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay. What are you going to do now?
Programs are also very easy to write. You have position, drill, bore, turn, arc, cycle, thread, more. And let me load a program to just show you something.
Okay, before you do that,